Minister Галущенко, we have seen massive attacks on Ukrainian energy infrastructure in the past weeks. What consequences do those attacks have for the Ukrainian people?
Everyone should understand that today's situation that's not about the battlefield. So that's like the pure terror to the people. They do not even hide this. So if you could see this, you can find this in Russian media. They said that we want Ukrainians to suffer. And that's what they are really trying to do. So because when you have the restriction in let's say, electricity supply, so that's a suffering. And it's also then it's another, after electricity, you have the problems with the water and so on. So I think that that's very important to understand that is now the issue more of suffering for the people. And that's not about the battlefield line.
Now, there have also in the past weeks, there has been talk about the safety in Zaporizhia, the nuclear power plant in Zaporizhia, one more time, in occupied territory. Are you worried that this could still eventually lead to some really nuclear incidents there?
I'm absolutely, unfortunately, I had to say, that would be the way it goes. Electricity. There's our electricity, which we supply for security systems, and they are attacking our energy system to deprive us of electricity. I mean, guys, but how we could then supply the electricity to the nuclear station? I mean, and that is all, everything is so ridiculous, I must say, what they are doing. And I think that is how much blackouts of the station should we wait? I mean, 9, 10, 15, I don't know, 20, when this accident happened. That's only a question of time. We should understand this.
We've also seen attacks on energy infrastructure in Russia, and many Western leaders, including the US president, have harshly criticized these attacks. Do you think this is hypocritical?
Well, it's very dangerous discussion because I have a lot of conversation with the ministers all over the world. And I'm very afraid when sometimes I've heard like, okay, guys, you have the war, but the war will be over and we will come back to Russia. That's a madness. I mean, so if you want to come back again in this trap, so that's you should do now everything not to repeat this story.
Minister Галущенко, thank you very much for the interview.